Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about the things that you can do when you are getting bored and when your vacations are going on and you don't know how to pass your time or you don't know what to do. So today I'm gonna tell you about 8 things you can do when you are getting bored. Plus I will be also giving you 2 bonus ideas. So let's get started. So I'm opening my journal and I'm gonna write all the 8 things to do when you are bored over here. So the first thing I have for you to do is to just take a plain sheet of paper and start drawing a mandala. Now, what is a mandala? All you have to do is just have to, draw the design which is coming in your mind in a circular motion. Just take a plain white sheet of paper and any pen, blue, black, white, whatever pen you love. Just take it and start putting a dot in the center and then a little circle around that dot and just start, draw any design which come in your mind and it turns out to be very beautiful. You just have to listen to your brain and you have to draw with whatever design is coming in your mind. And yeah, so that's what is a very good pastime. And you're gonna enjoy it. So the second idea is to read a good book, or you can just go and search on Google about a great personality. Or if you are a lover of history, then go and search about some great event in history and learn about it. Or if you have so many questions going through your mind, then you can just search on Google about those questions. The third idea is that you can print out your favorite photographs or all your pictures that you love, and you can just paste them on a sheet of paper or in your journal. So here I have 2 sheets of my favorite photographs, and I'm opening my happiness journal and I'm gonna paste my favorite photos in that journal. And while doing this, you're gonna feel happy because these are the photos that make you happy, and it's a very good pastime just pasting your favorite photos in journal. And when you feel sad, you can just flip through this journal and you can get happiness. So I pasted 3 photographs over here and I'm just drawing random designs to make it look more beautiful. And yes, now the 4th way to pass your time is, which I feel is very interesting and is definitely a good way to pass your time, is to do quilling. You just have to take a strip and you just have to roll it around, and you don't know while you're rolling that strip around that instrument, you just don't know about the time, and when it passes and you get so busy in that thing that you seriously don't care about time. You can just take a sheet of paper and draw any design you want over it. Over here I'm drawing a circular floweret with pink and green strips, pink being the flowers and green being leaves. And yes, so this is, I think, a very good way to pass your time. So the 5th idea is write about a future event which you want to happen in your life in real. I saw this idea on Jordan Clark's video. She's a YouTuber and she is just amazing. So all you have to do is you just write about each and every little detail which you want in your future to happen. The moment like you want to buy a house, so just write about it, or all the details of the house, how should it look like, each and everything. And this is a very good activity, and it gives you a relief. So the sixth idea is that you can make a garland. I am here making a garland of word which says Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. I am cutting down my words Hakuna Matata, and then I'm gonna take a string and stick those words to that string, and it turns out a beautiful decoration for your desk or for your wall, wherever you want to hang it, and it's a very good time pass. So the next idea is to clean your wardrobe or organize your bookshelf. After cleaning your wardrobe, it's a personal experience. You're gonna feel very relaxed, like a mountain-like task has been done. The eighth and the last idea is very simple. You have to just write down your favorite quote on a sheet of paper. So I have this quote journal for my quotes. I've wrote a quote over there, and now I'm writing a quote in my journal. It says, go confidently in the direction of your dreams and live the life you have imagined. Second bonus idea is to go on YouTube, open my channel and watch my videos. I hope you like the video, and I hope that it will help you, and thank you so much for watching.